Hello? Are you trying to be bird? I am going to tell you how to be bird. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. I said flap them. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. First step is to flap your wings. If you don't flap your wings, you won't. Oh, you flapped your wings! Step 2. Put your hair down.
You sound like an Asian.
Step 2. Put your hair down. Step 2. Put your hair down. Step 2 has been completed. Step 3. Move slightly to the left. You move slightly to the left. That's good. Step 3 is finished. Step 4 now. Exercise your whole body when you fluff it up. You're fluffing up your body. I like it. I like it when you fluff up your body. You're exercising your body. Now I want you to stop fluffing up your body. And I want you to show me what you've got. When I count to 3, I want you to show me what you've got. Is that what you've got? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now show us what you've got. Show me what you've got, little lady. Show me what you've got, little boy. I like it when you do it like that, like that. Step to the right and step to the left. The feet is every single movement in every bird's life. Oh! Sorry. That's what happens when you don't pay attention to the 3 bird steps. You fall down the bathroom tub. Seacrest out!